welcome back to another YouTube video. So you've already seen the egg capture, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get right into it. So in today's video, I am showing you guys how I style my thrifted trench coat. Now, I did go ahead and dry clean my coats because, you know, I always do that. And this one is looking super crispy. I'm not sure how my tag is still on this after cleaning it, but it is. And I'm going to show y'all first how the actual coat looks, and then we'll go ahead and get into the styles here, because I know that's why you here. I'm going to show y'all how to style this trench coat. This is going to be perfect for you guys. So if the next time you're in the thrift store and you see a trench coat, get it, because you already know how to style it. Because you know, you follow D, your obsessed bestie that loves all things on sale, and she already put you onto all of the styles. So let's just get into the coat, how it looks, how it was maintained. So let me move y'all down a little bit. So we have this trench coat, and this is actually oversized for me. This is a size, I think this is a size 12. Hold on, let me see the tag. Hold on, where's the tag at? I do not know where the tag is at, y'all, but I think this is a size 12. Oh, it's actually a size 10. Okay, yeah, it's a size 10. Okay, so as you can see, it's already super long. I'll just show you how it looks already on. It comes to about my lower calf. So it's kind of like the perfect size. So I'm glad that I actually went up. I'm normally like a 4, 6, 8. Depending on the brand, but I love the fit of this. It does have pockets here. The pockets are deep as well. I love that about this coat here. It's really deep. I have gloves in here already. Oh, this is an outfit in itself. Okay, get into it. Okay, I have black gloves in here, y'all. Okay, let me put them on real quick. This blazer, I mean not blazer, this coat, it reminds me of the Inspector Gadget. So I'm all about detective work, okay? So it kind of reminds me of that, y'all. So when I was trying it on, it kind of gave me the giggles. Okay, so back to the coat. Okay, it does have buttons that you can button here. It has all of the buttons. This jacket was very maintained. Like, it was, you can tell that this owner dry cleaned this jacket and only dry cleaned this jacket. I think I actually purchased this jacket last year. I haven't actually wore it yet, but I think I may wear it coming up. All right, so you can see the buttons here. Let me bring it out a little closer here. The buttons are like a bronze brown. Well, I would say it's kind of like a dark brown now that I'm looking at it. It has like a little okay, and then it has the belt. Again, I can this is oversized, so the belt is going to be a little big, but that's okay because it has buttons that are brown as well on them as well, so I can definitely loop that around for it to really look really good. It has two because I have one over here as well, so I can loop that so that can be in the middle part. So that's actually perfect. I will have to fix it a little bit there. Let me fix it a little bit. So it will look kind of like this. Okay, I'm hot with these gloves on. Let me take the gloves off. So it'll look kind of like that. And then, you know, you can always tie it up just like a regular tie-up like this. Okay, in the arms, it does have a button here. As you can see, it's really lightly used, y'all, lightly used. I can tighten this up through here. I just kind of had it, since I was trying it on and off, I just kind of already had it like how I wanted it. So that, I'll have to get my thing here, but this is how that part would go. What else about the jacket here? It's super, I would say it's not lightweight. It does have a little weight on it, but it is a trench coat, so I wouldn't think that it would be like weighted. And it's kind of, I wanted it kind of a little sturdy, because when you're going outside and it's cold, I do want something to warm me up. It does have a lining inside of it, and I'll show y'all. Let me show y'all the shoulders. Okay, this is the shoulder. I love this part. This is my favorite part of the jacket, the shoulders. They're so cute. Oh, okay, so this is how the inside is here, inside here. And like I said before, this jacket was dry cleaned, and the owner just took really good care of the jacket. I really don't have to do much to this jacket. It's already like how it's supposed to be. I love the back part here. Again, a lot of hooks on this. Yeah, this is, I'm in love. I'm in love. Yes, I am in love with this jacket. If the next time you're in the thrift store, I highly recommend that you go into the jacket section. I was not even looking for a jacket last year, and I stumbled upon this jacket, and I just had to have it just because of the condition that it was in. And I've always wanted a trench coat like this. My grandma actually had a trench coat like this, and I just wanted, you know, to just have like some type of memory, and also just to style it in my era as well. So I had to get it when I seen it, and I think I paid like $30 for this jacket. Yeah, because the price tag is still on. Let me show y'all this price tag. I don't know how it's still on, but it is still on. Look at the dry cleaner. See, I paid $30 for this jacket. It's a great buy. Like, it really is. Like, look, I'm styling right now, y'all. Styling and profiling. Woo! No. But yes, I definitely love this jacket. And I hope that you guys enjoy this video. Alright guys, so we're just gonna jump right into the first fit here. As you can see, I layered it with all black. A black turtleneck, black pants, black boots, black gloves, black hat. I feel like in this actual outfit, I felt like I worked for the CIA, and I'm like creeping, trying to find something like the Inspector Gadget. This outfit turned out really, really good. Love the way that I paired it with the all black and topped it off with the hat. I feel like this outfit you can definitely wear wherever. You can tie it up and still wear it wherever. This is like your, outfit that you would go to and just style it at any occasion. I feel like this can be styled up. It can also be styled down as well. All right, so the next look, I decided to give it a turtleneck tank dress here. That was kind of fairly in the brown section. It's kind of like an off-white dress. and I paired it with some brown heels. I thought that this would be really cute for like a date night. Just remember that with the coat, it gives you that extra layer. So if you do get cold, you can wrap the coat, tie the coat, to give yourself layers as well. I thought this dress was going to be a little longer, but it's not. So yeah, so you can also give yourself layers if it is too cold outside. You can definitely wrap the coat and tie it to give you that extra layer so you're not as cold in this outfit. All right, so we're moving right along. So you guys have actually seen this outfit before. I wore this at the Black Men in Tech conference video. If you haven't seen that, go ahead and watch that. But this shirt I purchased from Shein, and the pants are from Target. This is kind of like one of those, my state, it has kind of like crazy weather. So this is kind of like a crazy outfit. Like it's cold, but it's still warm outside that you can wear flip-flops, if that makes sense. You can also pair this with tennis shoes or some mules or whatever slides you have. You can also do it with boots as well. I decided to do it with my Louis slippers for this one. All right, so we have our next style here. Now this is a just a regular dress. It's a turtleneck, long sleeve, simple dress here that I purchased from my hairstylist. If you're interested, I'll leave you the link here. This is in a small. Y'all, I am super bloated on this video, so yeah, I don't have any Spanx on, but for the timing of this video, you're gonna get what you're gonna get, okay? So yeah, this is just a regular look, you know, with some boots on and just the actual dress here. Again, I love layers, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna pair it with my vintage purse here. I showed this on a previous video, so go check that out. I'll link it right here. And I paired it with this dress. I thought this is actually one of my favorites here out of all. Like, this kind of made me want to go on a date night like tonight. It was giving me, you know, you looking sexy in this this dress, and then you're topping it off with this sexy trench coat. Like, it was giving me vibes here. This was giving me definitely vibes here. So yeah, I like the way with dresses, it's always easy to go with a simple style dress, and this is what I did with this look. Okay, so with this next look, this is super casual. This is like I'm running to the grocery store. I'm gonna go to on a quick shopping spree really quick here. I'm gonna meet up with the girls for a quick breakfast here. This is just a casual look. I wanted to throw this in here. Most people don't think that you can dress a trench coat with something casual, but you know how I am. I will pair anything with something casual because I love being super comfortable. So this is my grocery store shopping type of look here. I love. All right, so up next, I kind of paired this with a button-down striped shirt here with some ripped jeans and my jean purse here. I thought that this is also a casual look. This is like maybe if I was like going into the office, I would wear like some regular jeans with this with some mules and wear this to the office. I figured this could also be like a, you know, casual look where I'm going out. I'm going out to lunch. I'm going out to eat. I'm going to the museum. I have a solo date. Something, you know, like that, that I can be super casual with. I can pair it with jeans. I can pair it with some tennis shoes. I can pair it with some other type of tennis shoes. And also, you know that you can dress this up as well with some, maybe some clear heels with this as well. Some boots as well. But for this look, I think that this would be my another casual look that you could dress up with a button-down shirt here. And for my next look, I did want to keep it super casual, but with a color. You know, I love a pop of color. So you're about to get this orange color, okay? So I paired this with a sweatsuit that I purchased from Target. The pocketbook, I think that is from Shein's. Yes, that's from Shein's. And I paired it with some sneakers. So get into this casual look here. You guys know I live for a casual look. Don't forget to come back, like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you set your notification bells, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.